Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today is going to be way simple. You guys know that Makeup Mondays I always do makeup tutorials, but this video has been highly requested by you guys. Today I'm going to show you my everyday go-to glam pretty girl swag makeup. This is what I love to wear when I don't know what to do with my eyeshadow, or if I don't have time, or if I'm just not in the mood. Anytime that I'm wearing this hair with the hoops and just the makeup, I always feel so good about myself, you guys. So I wanted to show you how to achieve this super messy ponytail. It's really easy. There's like nothing to it. I'm also going to be showing you guys some products from my Ulta haul that I'm going to be testing out with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this entire pretty girl makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. My skin is already moisturized. We're going to jump right into the primers. I'm going to take two different primers. This one is going to be specifically for my pores, and then I'm going to go in with the Becca First Light Priming Filter. You guys know that I put this in my Ulta haul, and I've been using it for like 2-3 days now, and I really like how my skin looks. Oh my god. This thing is like magic in a bottle. For my foundation, I really want to try the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. This one was also in my Ulta haul. I think it's too light for me though. I tried to wear it the other day and I swatched it on my skin and it looked a little too light, but we're going to test it again because I really want to use it. I'm actually going to take this Becca foundation. This is the Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, which is really good, but this one's really dark. This is in the shade Bamboo. So I'm just gonna add maybe like that much to it. Okay, so there we have it. Hopefully this matches me a little bit better. Ooh, okay. So we got a good match. You guys know that I've recently been really loving my foundations with brushes. I don't know, I feel like it applies so much better than with a sponge. And this has to be like my favorite affordable foundation brush. This is the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. Ugh, I am obsessed with this foundation. I don't know if it's a mix of the primer or the foundation and the primer, but my skin is looking bomb. Like, it doesn't look, I've been wanting my skin to look like this, not matte, not dry, not dehydrated, just like fresh, glowy, healthy skin. And this foundation is giving me those vibes, and I am here for it. Let's move on to the concealer. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in Medium Sand. We want to be full coverage. This is almost like a full coverage glam, but this is literally what I do when A, I don't have time to do my eyeshadow, or B, I just don't feel like doing my eyeshadow. I know that when I wear this look, I will always feel good about myself. I always feel really pretty when I wear this look. So we're going to apply our concealer. I also showed you guys this Tarte Shape Tape in my Ulta haul, if you guys remember. I ended up picking up a new one because my other one was literally gone. This is my third tube. That's how good this concealer is. What I've been doing lately is I take this Too Faced Banana Cream. It's Bananas setting powder, which is such cute packaging, and then on the inside it has like little banana shapes. You guys see that? And it smells like bananas. I'm going to take this Dolce Strobe L307 brush, which is meant for highlighting, but I really like how this fits under the eye. Now we're going to be highlighting. I'm going to take also this Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer Duo. So it comes with a highlighter and then it comes with a bronzer. I'm going to use a bronzer to warm up the skin a little bit. This is actually my second time using this bronzer, and I really like it. It's not too like orangey, but it just gives your skin the perfect warmth. Let's move on to the highlighter. I have been loving this one. You guys, you need this. You either need to get it gifted or you need to gift it to someone, because this is seriously so bomb. It's the LA Girl Reverie. I'm not going to try and pronounce it. It's this one. It comes with a whole bunch of different highlighters, and honestly I just kind of go crazy and mix them all. And then we're just gonna pop that onto the highest points of our cheeks. Do you guys see the beauty, the magic? I love this highlighting palette. It is so bomb. I'm going to quickly apply some of this Morphe Brow Baby Concealer, but I just use it as eyeliner. I love doing this step because it just really opens up my eyes and it makes them look a lot bigger than they already are. Then I'm just going to apply my wing liner. I'm just going to let you guys watch so you guys can see how I do my wing liner. Now we're gonna pop on some lashes. When I do this look, I always wear usually the same lashes, but I'm always wearing super dramatic lashes because I just feel like the big dramatic lashes is what makes this whole look the look, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna take Drama Queen. These are super dramatic, hence the name. This is my lash collab with Lash Kitty. If you guys are interested in a pair, they're only $10 a piece. You can use my discount code OMGlashes and it saves you a little bit of extra moolah. Now for my lips, it really depends on my mood and what I'm going for. Today's lipstick, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Dolce K lip liner and her lipstick. Now let's move on to the hair. Usually when I do these ponytails is because my hair is super dirty, or B, I'm just too lazy to curl my hair again, so I just throw it up in a ponytail. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly part my hair in the middle. My sister cut my hair. She cuts my hair, and the last time she cut it, I asked her to give me a little bit of bangs. That way when I leave my hair down, I can have some hair to pull out like this. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna pull my hair up in a high ponytail. Usually for me, these are my messy ponytails, so I don't really get into trying to sleek it and make it cute or anything, because the messier your ponytail is, the cuter it's gonna look. Now, depending on how high you like your ponytail, that's where you wanna obviously tie it off. So I'm just gonna tie off my ponytail up here because I do like my ponytails to be pretty high and perky. Just like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull my hair from here. So I'm just going to start pulling at it. This is going to make it a little bit more voluminous, I guess. I don't know. I just do it. So now, because my hair is dirty and I haven't washed it, tons of my curls have fallen out, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my 3-in-1 Numi wand. I've had this for a long time, and I use the biggest barrel, and I'll just grab random pieces, and I grab pretty big chunks, and I'll just curl my hair a little bit, not too much because I don't want my ponytail to be pretty. I want it to be messy and cute. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my Aussie Headstrong Volume Hairspray, and I'm going to spray my ponytail generously. and then I just kind of like shimmy I just kind of like move it around. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my hair to hide my hairband or my liga, because I don't want it showing. And it looks cuter if you wrap your hair around. So one of the last things that I do is, because do you guys see how freaking thin my like hairline is? I love this stuff. This is the Topic Hair Building Fibers in black. And I'm just going to spray it around the edges so my hair looks a little bit more thick and full. And you guys know my signature look when I wear this entire look is obviously some big ol' hoop earrings and just some cute jewelry. I'm going to stack these two together and we will be done. It's totally up to you guys whether you are a matte lipstick girl or if you are a lip gloss. This time I'm going to add a lip gloss. I'm just feeling the vibe. I'm going to see which one looks better. I have here the Makeup Revolution Lip Topper in Exquisite. So I'm going to try this one first. No. So I'm just going to go in with this Kylie gloss in Literally. And that is it, you guys. This is literally my go-to glam. I'm feeling pretty. I know when I wear this look, I'm going to feel so good about myself. It's all about finding that one makeup look that works with your face, with your skin, with just everything. And I absolutely love this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself. If you guys like this ponytail, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. I love you chicas, and I will see you on Wednesday. Mwah. Bye.